Welcome sa ating YouTube channel My Chard Reaction Vlog. For today's video, pag-uusapan naman po natin itong balita tungkol sa issue nagpaglipat nag-Showtime. Tara ating basahin at balikan natin ang mga nagyari kung paano nagyari ang paglipat nag-Showtime mula GTV to GMA. Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez on its Showtime, we are in the process of negotiations. Published on November 22, 2024, 11:50 a.m. Updated on November 22, 2024, 11:53 a.m. Mainit ngayon ang bulong-bulungan sa showbiz industry tungkol sa di umano ay pag-takeover ng GMA-produced show na Tick-Tick Clock sa slot ng kapamilya noontime show na It's Showtime. Nakatakda kasing magtapos ang kontrata ng nasabing show sa network sa darating na Disyembre ng taong kasalukuyan. Upang wakasan ang mga espekulasyon kaugnay ng isyu na ito, nagpahayag si GMA Network Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez kaugnay dito. Ani Attorney Annette, we are in the process of negotiations now for the renewal of Showtime. Nagsimulang umere ang It's Showtime sa free-to-air channel ng GMA, ang GTV noong July 1 ng nakaraang taon. Ito ay matapos silang magpirmahan ng kontrata noong June 28. Noong March 20, 2024, muling nagkaroon ng pirmahan ng kontrata sa pagitan ng GMA Network Inc. It's Showtime, para mapanood na rin sa GMA ang nasabing programa. Nagsimulang umere noong April 6, 2024. Samantala, balikan sa gallery na ito naging contract signing ng It's Showtime at GMA noon. It's Showtime sa GMA. Pasabog at paandar. It's Showtime hosts arrived at the GMA Network premises aboard a sparkling float. Tuloy kayo, madlang kapuso. Wearing their red outfits, It's Showtime received a very warm welcome from GMA Network. During the contract signing, ABS-CBN President and Chief Executive Officer Carlo L. Katigbak expressed his utmost gratitude to the GMA Network for welcoming It's Showtime into their home. We have so much gratitude for you all today. I remember we thanked you once for your kindness when you gave It's Showtime a home on GTV. Thank you again for welcoming It's Showtime this time, both on GMA and GTV, he said. Network war is over. On his speech, GMA Chairman Attorney Felipe L. Gozon reiterated, the network war between ABS and GMA was over. He further said, the signing this afternoon confirms what I said when we had our first signing in one of the hotels. I told the person who interviewed me that the network war between ABS-CBN and GMA was over. The signing of the contract this afternoon confirms and strengthens the collaboration between ABS-CBN and GMA. Then, he added, I think we can expect more mutually beneficial collaborations between ABS-CBN and GMA that will benefit the viewing public. I hope, ipinangako naman ni Carlo na gigandahan niya ang programa nyo. Dalawa ng platforms nyo ang malakas. But even without Carlo promise alam ko naman yun. We expect, not hope, na tataas ang rating ng It's Showtime, magbuhat ng April 6 dahil dala-dalawa na ang malakas na platforms nyo. Vice Ganda gave a heartfelt message for GMA, ang bait ng mga taga-GMA, ang bait-bait nyo ho sa amin, ang laki ng tulong at suportang ibinibigay nyo sa amin. We have been humbly expressing that na syempre hindi naman lingid sa kaalaman nating lahat kung gaano kasadsad ang isinadsad ng kapamilya pero naririyan kayo hindi para tapakan kami o saktan pa, inialay nyo ang mga kamay nyo sa amin para unti-unti kaming makabangon. Bong Navarro. On the other hand, Bong Navarro turned emotional about the new deal between ABS-CBN and GMA for It's Showtime. In his interview with Boy Abunda, he said, kanina naging iyakin kami dahil sa nararamdaman naming saya at ang hirap paniwalaan na nangyayari ngayon ito na ang It's Showtime from GTV papasok na kami sa GMA. Ann Curtis. We are so grateful #Showtime Sagma, Ann Curtis wrote on the caption of her photo with It's Showtime co-hosts before going to GMA Network for the contract signing. Karil. Meanwhile, this serves as Carol Lee's return to GMA Network studios. The actress host was part of the defunct weekly variety show SOP. She was also known as Sangre Elena, one of the popular characters of GMA's hit Telefantasia Encantadia. Kim Chu. Kim Chu showed good vibes during the contract signing of its showtime in GMA Network. Jugs and Teddy. Jugs and Teddy remain a fun duo as they attend the contract signing event. MC and Lassie. On the other hand, Kapamilya comedians MC and Lassie were a sweet duo during the event. Ryan Bang, Darren Espanto, and Ayon Perez. It's Showtime boys Ryan Bang, Darren Espanto, and Ayon Perez also had a grand entrance in GMA Network Studio Pito. Jackie Gonzaga and Sean Dominguez. Jackie Gonzaga and Sean Dominguez waved to Madlang Kapuso as they met them. Kapuso and Kapamilya singers. Kapuso singers Rita Daniela, Marian Osabel, and John Rex perform with Tawag ng Tanghalan, champions at the contract signing event. Grateful. Labis ang pasasalamat ni Vong Navarro sa Kapuso Network dahil sa mainit na pagtanggap sa kanila at sa programang It's Showtime. Alam mo sobrang excited na ako na mag-April 6 kasi yung pagtanggap nyo sa amin sobrang alam mong napakatotoo, talagang welcome na welcome kami. Kaya naman gusto naming ibalik yun ng doble yung saya na ipapakita namin sa ating madlang kapuso para ibalik yung mainit na pagtanggap nyo sa amin. Kaya naghahalo-halo yung nararamdaman ko ngayon, saya na hindi makapaniwala na parang nangyayari pala ito. Kaya talagang grateful ako sa ating mga kapuso, ani ng kapamilya host sa GMANetwork.com. Surreal. Nagulat at aniyay surreal, ang reaksyon ni Ann Curtis nang malaman na mapapanood na sa GMA ang It's Showtime. Parang hindi ako makapaniwala na nangyayari ito. It's really making history. I mean, never in our wildest dreams would we have imagined 15 years ago when we started that on our 15th year, we would be here on GMA 7. It's just surreal. Never namin inakala talaga. But we are again, as Vice Ganda said earlier, so grateful for being given this opportunity and being welcomed with wide open arms dito sa GMA. Maraming salamat mga kapuso, pahayag niya sa GMANetwork.com. Exciting. Labis ang tuwa at excitement na nararamdaman ng TV host at comedian na si Vice Ganda dahil mapapanood na ang It's Showtime sa GMA simula April 6. Aniya, grabe yung saya ng mga puso namin, grabe yung excitement, yung anticipation, at grabeng paghahanda ang kailangan naming gawin para hindi naman masayang itong pagkakataon na ito. Kaya let's go. Blessed. Feeling blessed ang Korean host na si Ryan Bang ngayong mapapanood na rin sa GMA Network ang It's Showtime. Syempre, I am super feel blessed. Sino ba mag-aakala na magkakasama yung ABS-CBN at GMA tapos It's Showtime, ipapalabas sa GMA. Kaya, I feel super blessed. Thank you, Lord, Anya. Masaya at excited naman ang singer TV host na si OG Alcacid ngayong malapit nang mapanood ang kanilang programa sa GMA. Nag-uumapo ang saya na nararamdaman ni Karil dahil sa mainit na pagtanggap ng Kapuso Network sa It's Showtime. Napakaraming damdamin pero most of all joy, talagang yun yung nangingibabaw. Napakasaya ko po sa isang napakagandang welcome rito sa Kapuso Network. Thank you so much for opening your doors for us, pagbabahagi niya. Nagpapasalamat sina Kim Chu at Amy Perez sa GMA Network dahil sa mas malawak na ang mapapasaya nilang madlang people. Very, very thankful kami sa GMA for this partnership dahil talagang, yun nga, hindi kami makapaniwala na ito na, mangyayari na tuloy na. Totoong totoo na to, ani Amy. Dagdag ni Kim, mapapalawak yung pagpapasaya namin sa iba't ibang klase ng madlang people, buong Pilipinas na talaga. Kaya we're very excited and grateful for GMA. Happiness. Masaya at grateful ang TV hosts at comedians na sina MC at Lassie sa Kapuso Network dahil sa mainit na pagtanggap sa It's Showtime. Masayang masaya. Very grateful talaga kasi ang mga bosses namin sa ABS-CBN ay talagang inilaban ang It's Showtime, at the same time, yung bosses naman sa GMA, tinanggap kami ng buong buo, ani MC. Dagdag ni Lassie, lagi naming sinasabi talaga, napakabait ng GMA. It's Showtime, GMA Network, Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez. Ano ang ninyong masasabi dito? Mag-iwan ng inyong mga comment sa ating comment section. Maraming salamat at huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe. Thank you for watching.